What's up everyone? Welcome to a new episode of High Altitude Motorsports. We are working on CPing's truck again this week. Taking out a turbo. It's got a leak coming somewhere from the backside of the valley of the engine. So we're gonna pull the turbo and figure out what's going on. And we're gonna get right into it. We've already started pulling a couple parts off. Intake manifold, intercooler piping. Obviously they're all aftermarket, so if you guys are doing this yourself, your process is going to be slightly different. Alright guys, so basically what we're going to do is basically take out these 15 millimeter bolts. Basically once those are out, then basically we can pull the basic turbo out and it's going to be sweet. Alright guys, so we're taking this turbo out of here. We're going to pull these 4 13 millimeter bolts out that are our pedestal bolts. They've really made the 6.7 turbo way easier to pull out than previous generations. Hey yo, Nicholas.
Today we have a 6.0 hub replacement, driver side and passenger side. Driver side is ready to go. Passenger side is just about to get installed. We got the old hubs out, they're pretty nasty, mostly the right side. This is the new hub on here. Caliper is going on.
Well, we are reinstalling the turbo pedestal gasket and I guess it's the pedestal to the turbo with a new gasket.
Yeah. How does it look when 7i hood stack ours?
You could do so that this is the back of the turbo and then there's a pipe that comes through here, goes like this, goes up, boom.
Ooh.
I have one right here.
Yeah. Can I have it?
Steph, you ready for the set?
I'm actually ready.
I don't know if it would work on your turbo yet. That's the one thing that we need to, because I do know that the 16 and then the 17 turbos are different. Something Goomba tarnation's going on here.
It goes that way?
No.
I remember yours came out on this side.
Would you?
So if I'm looking at the turbo, yeah, it goes like this. This goes like this. But why doesn't that? So we are putting in new gaskets on this turbocharger to fix the oil leak, and we need to install this is our little filter that filters the oil, bro. So now we have to position ourselves in here to where we can kind of set this turbo down. Ow, ow. I think we just got ourselves a turbo in a truck. So now that we've got the turbo in, seated, everything's lined up, we got the bolts just hand started. We're gonna go through our torque sequence, get this torqued up, get the up pipes, down pipe back on, and then start installing everything that goes up here, and this truck will not be leaking oil anymore.